Pergola roof panels blowing off in high winds can totally wreck your outdoor vibe and cost you a ton in repairs, so you gotta know how to lock them down right. Alright, so first up, make sure you are using screws or bolts that are strong enough for your pergola panels, not just nails, because those can pop out when the wind picks up. You want to double check that each panel is snug against the frame with no wiggle room. Using wind-resistant designs like angled or slanted panels can actually help the wind glide over instead of catching under them and ripping them off. Adding extra support beams or braces can seriously beef up the whole setup, giving it more resistance against gusts. Don't forget to seal any gaps where wind can sneak in and start lifting the panels. If you live somewhere super windy, consider heavier materials for your roof panels instead of lightweight stuff that flies off easier. Sometimes adding clips or brackets designed specifically for pergola roofs makes all the difference. Those little things hold panels down tight. And lastly, do a routine check every few months, especially before storm season, to tighten any loose fasteners and replace worn-out parts. One of the biggest mistakes people make with pergola roof panels is using cheap fasteners like regular nails, which are not made for high wind conditions. Switching to corrosion-resistant screws or bolts fixes that right away. Another common issue is ignoring the design of the pergola roof. Flat panels catch the wind more, so opting for a slightly angled roof helps prevent panels from lifting. The third problem is skipping regular maintenance, so loose screws and weathered seals leave panels vulnerable. Setting reminders to check your pergola's condition keeps everything locked tight and ready for whatever weather hits. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who actually know how to secure pergola roofs and handle other big jobs. For contractors, it's a solid way to get real work from people nearby who need pros they can count on without all the hassle of searching around.